I need to pack and prep for my 36-hour flight and trip to New Zealand for 3 weeks. I'm so excited. I'm going to tour around the whole North Island and South Island and explore everywhere. It's finally glow up week. I'm so excited because I feel like I look hideous and I hate it. My hair looks awful, so I cannot wait to get it redone, refreshed. It looks so cute. I have never loved my hair more than today. Chrissy did such a good job. Salon C is, I'm obsessed. I just love it so much. But I've grabbed loads of things from Shein, so let's open them together. Why can I never open these? I got this really cute set from Shein. It's like, so it folds over shorts and then got the matching top, which is like a halter neck. Next thing, this just screams summer. Like, look at the sparkly. Oh, I just love it. Next up, I just got some plain shorts just to go with everything. I got some cute like trousers. Then I got these really cute woolen like trousers. They're like also got like little hints of different colours. They're embroidered. We also have the embroidered turtle. Our next package, we have this really cute little, like, I think that's like, it screams Gabby from Desperate Housewife. Like, it just, I don't know what it is. It just, that just talks to me as Gabby. But I think this is my tankini. I just don't want to show my mum tum on anything. So I bought myself like a little tankini that shows a little tum, but makes me feel more confident in myself. A really cute bow on, like the bikini bottoms, is this cute little fruit pattern one. I just thought it was really cute. We've got a set, little bows and shorts. I just thought that was really cute. I like the blue. I don't know what it is. Since becoming a mum to a boy, I've been loving blue over pink lately. I think it's because I like to match him. He's always wearing blue because he looks so good in blue. Plus, I also got myself a new phone case. It's so pretty. I've gotten Finley so many like H&M clothes, and then he's gonna have basically half or a third of my luggage and then some of a Will's luggage too. We've got that green stripe in the middle so we can always spot our luggage whilst it's coming around like the wheel thing. And then those are our 2 bags that we're bringing on the plane. We did a huge H&M order for Finley because he's basically just gone up sizes to 9 to 12. Where are you going? He's just off on a mission with one sock. How cute is that? It's like little Snoopy. I also got like a matching co-ord set. So first the shorts. Like, so cute. So we're bringing a mixture of clothes. So we're bringing half summer clothes and half like autumn/spring clothes, where it could be like a little chilly, a little rainy, but like you don't need layers like you do in winter. So basically packing for all occasions, but we have to remember we can also buy stuff out there. We're not going somewhere that like they don't have shops, you know. Like, imagine that with the Snoopy top. It's so cute. That's the top, and these are the bottoms. He has some more shorts, waffle shorts on H&M, and I just fell in love. I really wish they had like an adult one of these, like girls. There's another pair of dungarees. I just couldn't resist. Like, I just need to get myself some dungarees so one day we can like match and be like twin ready. Like, these are just some leggings for like when they're cold. I did have another pair, but I had to use them already because I ran out of clothes. And then we've got loads and loads of vests, which I don't need to open because they're the exact same, just short sleeve vests. H&M, this all came to £130, I think. Plus, like, that all came to £130. That was actually pretty good for the price of kids' clothes at the moment. So if you're looking to upgrade your kids' wardrobe, go to H&M. Like, that's actually pretty good price. I got my lashes lifted the other day and they are just so beautiful. Like, I used to be obsessed with getting lash extensions, but then when I finally got these, I don't know, why would I go back? My baby's escaping. You can kind of see him. Anyway, we've got a busy day. Tomorrow we leave for New Zealand. So I'm packing everything today. I'm packing mine, Will's and Finley's. Just easy when I pack. Then I do the air tags from my mum's, because the idea of losing our luggage terrifies me, especially if we're going on like 3 different planes. So I need to make sure that luggage is always on our plane. I've just gotten some more man bottles because these are actually his favourite by far. We've tried Tommy Tippies, Savers, there's another brand we've tried, Sainsbury's, Waitrose brand, and he loves the man bottles no matter what. He never complains with those, where everyone else, he like complains, he won't take it. So I bought 2 more for our trip so I can wash them and sterilise them before we go away. I got the originals and I'm setting up. I've bought Finley these Fred and Flo Tesco brands, baby lotion and baby body wash, because I just absolutely love the scent of the O, and I can never say that name, Chamoline. But so I'm gonna take those with us. That will last us the whole trip anyway, and probably will last us when we come back. I bought Will some like the mini deodorant, the mini toothpaste that we can both use, and like mini shower gel for the plane, not for the shower at Singapore. So all set. I've also bought some Cowpole on the plane, like to be put in storage, because I just want to make sure that we have it access to at all times with Finley. You never know how they would react in like a new environment, so got that. I basically packed all my summer clothes. I just need to pack on this side Finley's clothes, and then I need to pack some like wintry / autumny clothes for me. I feel like packing though with the baby present is really hard. Like, he wants to go everywhere, he wants to explore everywhere, he wants to go in the suitcase, he wants to pull out the suitcase, he wants to go in the corridor, he wants to climb over you, he's everywhere. So I don't understand how it's so hard. Like, yeah, it's just very hard. This little munchkin's making it so hard. Look how cute he is though. He stopped rolling now, bizarrely, because I think it's because he can crawl. I bet you now he rolls just because he's on camera. So I usually use the water wipes, but because they're so expensive, I've been trying to find like alternatives. So like I've been trying to Morrison's, Sainsbury's, Tesco's, Boots. The ones that I like are the Morrison's, the big wipes, or I'm really loving the Boots wipes. I've been getting the sensitive skin ones, but they're really like wet, like the water wipes are, and that's what I really like about them. So, and they're 80p. So, like 80p times 6, well that is 6 times 6 is 46, 48. That's £4. That's £4.80. Nah, it's not £4.80. It's something like that. I've literally just found this. I bought it just for going on holiday. I cannot wait to play a new version of Uno. My family's obsessed with this game. The Switch is on charge right now. Got Uno to play on the plane. I've got obviously my purse. I have been running around like a manic person. I've been trying to tidy up, pack, and it's just like I have not even showered yet. It's no, can't. But now I've got to figure out what toys to take for Finley. I think I might be taking his Minecraft creeper, and his, hold on, his Minecraft creeper because he loves that. Then I think I might take his Steve and then I might put that also with us, but I'm not 100% sure. I want something like electric. Maybe his crocodile he quite likes playing with, but I just need something to entertain him in, like not too loud, but entertain him like during the evenings whilst we're in like New Zealand. I love this paper that we got from Amazon. Amazing, especially when you want to put them in, zip it up here. Well, so we're heading to the airport in a few minutes. When the taxi arrives, we're literally just bringing down everything from the flat, i.e. me just sitting on the bench with Finley. Oh my god, I forgot to put earrings in. I'll buy some when we're out there. I can't be asked to go back up. He is in his pyjamas, all ready for the flight. He's had his bath. I've tanned today, which really just like makes me feel so much better about myself. I haven't done my hair, but it's gonna get really humified, like humified, I don't know, but it doesn't do well on flights or like in heat, so I didn't really care for it. I'll show you Finley's fit check for the airport. He's got a mummy's bestie jumper on and he's got Batman pyjamas. He's got a top and like trousers. And he's got really long socks. He's so cute, aren't you? So we're getting a taxi from ours and then we're going to go pick up my mum from her house and then we're going to go to Heathrow. I'm so excited. It's 36 hours on the flight. I'm not looking forward to that, but it's Finley's first flight and I'm just looking forward to being in sun. Like right now it's miserable. It's just like every now and then it's like sunny but it's not warm and I just want like a tiny bit of warmth. I just want my freckles to come out, Finley to have his good summer. Oh, okay. After this, after Will's got everything, I'm gonna go get his pram and car seat from my car as we're taking those on holiday with us. So yeah, fingers crossed everything goes good. Yes. You drank all your champagne?
3 glasses.
So, I've literally just put Finley into bed. He looks so cute. I'm like that. It's almost 10 PM. I'm gonna go watch like Chicago Med and stuff like that. You drank all your champagne?
3 glasses.
So, I've literally just put Finley into bed. He looks so cute. I'm like that. It's almost 10 PM. I'm gonna go watch like Chicago Med and stuff like that. So cute, aren't you, baby? Finley!
Yes, please.
You trying to take my stuff? So we have finally landed in New Zealand and let me just say, I'm exhausted. I have probably not slept for 24 hours. Having a baby on a plane is not for the weak. It is exhausting, especially the fact that you cannot put this baby down to save your life. Like, you can't let them just crawl because like the risk of like, let's say like the plane went like that, they would literally go against the ceiling. So it's exhausting, mentally exhausting. I just didn't realise it.